Good afternoon, Your Excellencies and distinguished guests. It's an honor for me to be among all of you here at the 10th edition of Dubai International Project Management Forum. Actually, I've been attending this forum for the past 8 years, which clearly exemplifies what this forum is adding value to me personally and to the wider project management community. I would like to take this opportunity to extend my thanks and appreciation to Government of Dubai, RTA, and PMI, in addition to all organizers for hosting me at this event. Starting with our agenda for today, I will be providing an overview about PIF, followed by an introduction of our PMO and its pivotal role in delivering the overall organizational objectives and targets. In addition, I will be shedding some light about our strategic key initiatives that you can take it forward and build on it as applicable. Something else I will be sharing with you is how we deliver our mandate through a robust PMO community. And I will be focusing on the role of PMO Center of Excellence, implementation of PMO megatrends, delivering the value creation and establishment of PMO robust community. And finally, I will conclude our session by highlighting key takeaways that you take them and reflect them across your respective organizations. Starting with PIF, I'm sure most of you have heard about it. However, I will provide you with just a quick overview to give you better insights about Public Investment Fund. PIF is one of the largest sovereign wealth funds in the world, with a total asset under management of $925 billion USD. It was established in 1971, and it's considered as one of the main investment arms to diversify Saudi economy, in addition to be one of the main enablers of Vision 2030. PIF investment spans across multiple giga projects, such as Ritzy Global, Roshan, Neom, Qiddiya, and الرئيسة. And I'm happily sharing with you that we have established 99 portfolio companies so far. I would like to leave you with a short video just to give you a glimpse about PIF and the role of our PMO over there. Enjoy.
In March 2015, PIF underwent a significant transformation, granting it increased autonomy and clearly defined national strategic responsibilities. The strategic realignment facilitated the rapid advancement of Saudi Arabia's economy and positioned the PIF as a crucial catalyst for realizing the objectives of Vision 2030. PMO is recognized as an enabler in achieving PIF targets under the Saudi Vision 2030. It oversees the unique and complex projects of PIF, providing effective governance, strategic guidance, and competent execution.
الآن أصبح في مستوى عالي جدا من الحوكمة في رأس الهرم. مجلس الشؤون الاقتصادية عنده PMO.
PMO plays a pivotal role in supporting PIF as a global investment powerhouse and driving the future economy and transformation of Saudi Arabia. PMO manages strategic projects in addition to establishing portfolio companies, including giga projects across diverse sectors and domains, with a marked increase in its project success rate. Given the nature of PIF projects and business requirements, PMO embodied a culture of dynamism and proactivity by further supporting PIF portfolio companies post-establishment.
PMO is considered as one of the critical functions and the main enablers in achieving PIF targets under Vision 2030.
PMO manages diverse project types, each following specific governance and engagement models tailored to meet overarching strategic objectives.
During PIF's rapid expansion, our PMO has effectively tackled different challenges by deploying an adaptable project management framework, cultivating a culture of collaboration and ongoing improvements, in addition to capitalizing on the digital technology and megatrends to promote efficiency, excellence, and innovation.
Encouraging community engagement and nurturing a positive culture are essential priorities for our PMO. For the first time ever, PIF hosted a dedicated forum specifically for project management offices across PIF and its portfolio companies in collaboration with our strategic partners, PMI KSA and PMI Global. Our commitment to excellence is evident through strategic partnerships. We have successfully signed Memorandum of Understanding with Project Management Institute both locally and globally, fostering collaboration and knowledge exchange. With its unparalleled diversity in projects, portfolios, and sectors, the PIF PMO stands out as a global leader, offering extensive coverage that surpasses any other PMO in the world. PIF PMO continues its journey towards becoming a global role model center of excellence and beyond.
It's just a tip of the iceberg. This is just the beginning.
I hope you enjoyed the video, and as our governor, His Excellency Yasser Ramian said, it's just the beginning. Keeping in mind the overall extent and the ambitions of our organizations, we are truly proud of our mandate, given its unique nature in terms of delivering, overseeing the overall implementation of a high-impact projects. Our vision is to enable the realization of PIF objectives and to become a global role model PMO Center of Excellence. In line with that, our mission is to support PIF and the portfolio companies in achieving their objectives and delivering organization-wide project management services. We also promoting in parallel increasing the overall maturity across PIF and our portfolio companies, and this, of course, is providing our senior management with better visibility about the overall project progress. In terms of objectives, and just to summarize, we are trying to ensure that we have a full alignment with the all project outcomes, and we also so keen to increase the maturity across the organizations, the collaboration with our portfolio companies, which subsequently contributing to building the community, and we also having an effective issue and risk management process. I always feel inspired when I present our journey because it's just simply illustrates where we were and where we are right now. So going back to 2015, where PIF underwent a major transformation to its mandate, which gave it a greater autonomy and better defined national strategic responsibilities. As a result, we had our PMO being established in 2016 with 5 employees only. And just to avoid getting you bored, I'm not going to go year by year through our achievements. However, in summary, we managed to develop our dynamic handbook that contains all the governance framework, operating model, and processes. We also developed an advanced engagement model with all divisions across PIF to ensure that we create something that is more customized to suit our customers. And we proudly developed the Vision Realization Program, VRP 21 to 25, with the support of all business divisions. Going to the community, we started having a PMO forum with the portfolio companies, and so far we had 2 editions, in addition to start customizing more advanced workshops that are tailored enough to match the overall cluster, region, and sector as well. We launched last year the PMO Center of Excellence successfully, and we are implementing different initiatives just to be in line with the overall mega trends. This year, we are launching the PMO Awards program across our portfolio companies. It's time to deep dive into delivering the mandate by fostering innovation. Just to talk about our PMO Center of Excellence, they used 3 main pillars to implement that. First, we have implementation of PMO megatrends. Second, delivering value creation. And the third one is the establishment of PMO robust community. If you ask me what do you want to achieve out of all of this and what kind of impact you want to have, simply, we want to be vivid. And I know after lunch we might get less interaction, so I would like our valuable audience to participate here. Can I get some guesses from our audience about what these letters could stand for? So VI and D. I know that we don't have mics, but somebody asked me in the background just to ask people to scream. So I told them, no, I'm not going to do that. I can't hear anything, by the way. Value, innovation, sorry? Data. By the way, there is no right or wrong answers, so you can go and dream. Okay, let's see together what does it mean. Vibrant hub for vision realization and transformation. Inspiring culture for collaboration. I see Pierre smiling. Value-driven, because we want to change from a traditional PMO to value-driven PMO. Integrated solutions that will impact the overall organization in more effective way. And finally, driving efficiencies. And when I say efficiency here, I'm talking about time, cost, and resources as well. Moving to the second pillar, which is PMO innovation and tools. So first of all, we had implemented, in line with the mega trends, our first RPA solution. And this was mainly to automate the repetitive and the manual work that is kind of time-consuming for our resources to ensure that they are utilizing their time effectively. Second, we implemented and launched our interactive Bayan dashboard, which is being considered as a real-time source of truth to our management and to our stakeholders when it comes to the overall project's performance. We also are working continuously in enhancing and advancing our knowledge management platform across PIF, and even we're extending that to our portfolio companies. Fourth, it's our famous PMOI. And I'm not going to talk much about it, as far as we do have a short video for you.
Introducing PMOI, the latest innovative generative AI solution. Powered by advanced artificial intelligence and machine learning, PMOI is designed to revolutionize the way you manage your projects. PMOI is here to empower teams and deliver results like never before, where it streamlines processes, increases efficiency, and ensures that our projects are always on track. Let's dive into each of these features. First, we have the risk assessment functionality. Every project carries risks, but with PMOI, you can stay ahead of them. This feature helps you identify potential project risks early on and develop effective mitigation strategies. With this feature, you'll have the insights to tackle risks proactively, ensuring smoother project execution from start to finish. Next up is the document generation. This feature illuminates the hassle of manually creating project documents like project charters or project closures. PMOI automates the process, saving our team valuable time and ensuring that all project documentation is consistent, accurate, and ready when you need it. Moving on to the lessons learned functionality. One of the biggest challenges in project management is learning from past experiences, and that's where PMOI excels. With our comprehensive database, you can easily access a centralized repository of lessons learned from past projects. Whether it's a success story or a challenge faced, this valuable resource empowers you to make informed decisions and avoid going through the same challenges. Another standout feature is the PMO handbook functionality. If you need expert guidance on project management processes or standards, you can simply chat with the PMOI assistant and you'll get real-time, tailored advice based on the PIF PMO handbook. This feature acts like your personal project management expert, guiding you through best practices and helping you stay aligned with industry standards. And last, but certainly not least, we have the chatbot feature. Effective communication is key to any project's success, and PMOI takes it to the next level. This feature includes advanced writing tools that help with summarizing, rephrasing, email drafting, and grammar correction. Whether you're preparing a formal report or drafting a quick email, PMOI makes it easier to express your ideas clearly and professionally, no matter who you're communicating with. With PMOI, you get all these essential tools in one platform, making project management simpler, more efficient, and far less stressful. So, whether you're managing a small project or overseeing a large portfolio, PMOI is your ultimate partner in success. Experience the power of smarter project management with PMOI, where efficiency meets expertise.
Thank you. I'm not really sure if the expectation was to see something similar to London Eye or Dubai Eye. I wish that it will look as beautiful as both of them are. PMOI is not a tool for us only. It's actually a game changer that illustrates how we can leverage technologies across the project management practices. We are going to delivering value creation. And for those of you who attended my session at LA last year, where I talked about XMO, so many people were asking me what does the X stand for, so I'm assuming the people who attended my session knows, in addition maybe to few of you here. So regardless what the X stand for, so we do have TMO, Transformation Management Office, SMO, Strategy Management Office, or Change Management Office. The way we look at things that we need to tailor our PMOs based on the overall organization needs, the business demands, the maturity level, and other factors. And just to shed some lights about what do we mean when we are referring to PMO community. So we have the project management office, the smaller team going to PIF divisions, then our portfolio companies, and after that, the wider community of project management. This is just to give you some examples about what kind of activities we are doing to build our community, whether it has to do with the different forums or workshops, or even our participation with our partners like the PMI. I'm conscious about time. I will have just 1 minute and then I will close. So establishment of robust PMO community, we have formulated innovation committee where they are collecting the different ideas, going through filtration, evaluation, and we are proceeding with the implementation based on their priorities and impact. And in parallel, we are not forgetting the humanity aspect. So we also have a happiness committee which aims to maintain the overall morale, productivity, and well-being of our staff. I will just focus more on my favorite ones, which relates to the family and the kids. So we are inviting them to spend like half day with their parents, just to blend with the different team members and even with other kids within the department. And we also invited them at PIF Champion League just to attend the final game, and thanks God we won for the football category. We reached to the last slide of our presentation. Our overall takeaways can be classified into 5 main themes. First, the importance of our commitment to improvement. Second, driving innovation and efficiency. Third one is delivering the value creation. And the fourth one, and I want to focus on this, is providing the advisory services. So instead of everyone reinvent the wheel, and from the concept of sharing is caring, let's share our knowledge and our expertise to benefit the wider community. And the last one, which is the building the community and developing professionals, where I see the main asset of any organization is people. So the more we invest in them, the better and the more impactful outcome we will get. Thank you so much for being with us. It was a pleasure, and I'm happy to connect with you further. Enjoy the forum and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.